Akwane mzansi nguDimen uDumsana wakwaSithole. Ngifuna ukuthi kuwe namhlanje angeze wakuthola konke empilweni begodu angeze kwabhala konke. We win some and lose some. We never win forever and equally never lose forever. We all fail sometimes. We don't always win. Such is life, mnganami. Failing or losing is not a problem. What's problematic is when you remain down and enjoy a pity party. Just know that as much as you push, as much as you pray, as much as you prepare, you will lose some and you will win some. So when you fail or lose, never remain down and enjoy when people feel pity for you. Abanye bethu siyathanda abantu nabathi shame, abantu nabasizwela ubuhlungu. We feel better abantu nabathi shame kithi, but that will never make you a winner. That will never make you to be a leader. You need to stand up. You are not a pity party material. You are a special God's creation. Thus you need to push, fail, fall, lose, but keep going. Cry and dust yourself going forward. Never cry standing still. You need to make a move. Zumi goes.